Yo, to all possible subscribers, this is a stick up. So press the button now before tack your pick up. If any war kick off in a dance hall, your radar goes a kick up. Press the subscribe button now before your dopey bat flick up.
Well, you know, so one war go on right now, my people, between Jahshii and Silk Boss. We don't know who is going to take away this trophy or this title or whatever, who is going to get them bad part of them body shang off on them something there. But we have this song here coming through from Jahshii. No, not Jahshii. Come a little bit late in our war, but this is now the war channel. We have a war panel. War in Jam Rock channel, log on to that fast. The back of me car, she give me blow job. Me I bring here with round 4 pan. Ends up for dirty like doormat. You done box your grand spender, you know that. I hear enough argument to go on board the box there. Me as a counteraction, I'll make already about the box there. One other artist, me don't remember when name, me Google him in a minute. Have counteraction ready for Silk Boss already. Me don't know who you are root for or who you are root for or me don't make up my mind who me a root for yet. I know when me go in a war, me not going neutral if me find one person in a war me a support, you know. Yeah, me not for neutral. Oh, Pastor, you're a vlog. Fuck off. You don't know me. Can't support who me want support in a war. So when me listen 3 war songs from each artist, then I decide to who about this, me start support the bad one. Is it a 1 song war or a 3 song war? So you come and attack when you oppose her, no? They man not do that little boy. Right for burn them up like say I 10 destroyer. Say I 10 destroyer. Run over him yada. Me no stop from breathing like my kill him and him father. Yeah, some people say chorus weak. So like nothing catching, I did nothing expensive, I did nothing great, I did it right now, you know. But we don't know if I trick Silk back, I trick them with the first song in a war and go on like in can manager and then him destroy it and dismantle them or something like that. But could catch a couple little piece more that song still cause I don't know. Dog what do them little boy run up. Tell man what do them little boy. Right for blaze them up like say a 10 destroyer. Run up. We just wear bite pum body. You know see that boy as stocky. A girl them say have a dead cocky. Nobody think see. Everybody will watch that video, yeah. Hear the song there already. So what me I gonna look for the next youth. I don't know what his name, but me I find the next youth. We sing one counteraction. I mean look from my phone as really earlier in the day. I see one video. We say 10 hours ago. It sound like it's a counteraction, but me not hear Silk Boss name in his song, but I want song from Jahshii. So we don't know we say Jahshii send out one artist for war Silk Boss. I don't know if that's a good. Anyway, I don't know yet. Let me just find the next video and hear the song. Me just find one song with Don Pree. Really a shoot off of the youth, lyrically, terribly. I could just take a quick listen to all part of it. So you know we have to stop it every 6 seconds. Shung shang. I want to, you know. No, remember me have my own your glass of gold. A real gold up on my glass, you know. They say your mouth think like swine, but it. The man saying girl mouth think like swine body. Alright, let me just explain a little part and of it. You see enough things where Jahshii, no, not Jahshii, Silk Boss, him get himself in enough little argument with him woman and them dep on the gram. And all of them something from when him long time, it make him seem like a little pussy. You see, for argument for your girl, when your grandma need to come on the grandma, everybody have that. See, the man them use it back on you there already, man them don't kill you. Silk Boss, your song weak. Your song weak. Compared to Dan Pre's song, your song come like it's a love song, brother. Your war song look like a love song. We just take a little piece off a Dan Pre song, and your song come like a kissy Furby, hug up and kiss up your girl. It's a love song you that make, and a war song that you make. Dan Pre song is a war song. You're dead, brother. It don't make sense about a war with the people. I mean, you just get more beaten, more beaten, from your enter into the music business, you get a beaten, brother. And we're glad to see a bus and everything, because we know you need it, and every youth bus need the bus, so that's why they work towards the bus. But you just have to fuck with for your bus, brother. I mean, First of all, yeah, tell a girl say her mouth think like agbati or something like that, brother. You know agbati smell, brother? The man them want use that word there and kill you. Why yourself, bro? How you know what agbati smell like, brother? You hang out around there, so, and your girl's mouth smell like that, and your girl a kiss, brother. You don't know what you say, brother. You shoot yourself in the head, not in the foot. Red White is called like one easy war for you, man. Them in the First Nation, only have a little food, you know, brother. You have to go really, really, really can war good, you know. This must be a bit decoy in a war where you trick him on them and then you have booby trap set up all over the place. Otherwise, from this, brother, you don't make it in a war, cause the man them will use you and your girl argument where you used to have every minute like a little fish, bitch. So, man, them will kill you, bro. Now when I make him like him low pound weed. Now I hear him somebody like him a chop and breed. Watch him and kill up the still mouth key right from a pick up beat. Badness you pick up beat. You pick up plate. When them there your country I tell you put it. Yo my boss, you see Silk boss, you see that song yeah? The first part I sang, but I hear old song already. And you know when I really pick against you, and that's because your song never good. You know see when Channel start this a song yeah beat you like a slave already, brother. Get the IQ son, go for them, this and that. You know bad look a pussy does settle down. And the fans them a tell me for killer now. Do not remember buck up on a rocky road. Let's see. Wait it. Blood that rocky road now go through. What if listen, them artists nowadays, you know, make IG make you dead. Lyrically dead, me at I'm not physically dead. IG I gonna make you dead because me say everything where Silk Boss put on IG since him start go on IG since him career take off in a way. Everything incriminating. You the one artist you that still never ever try clash another artist. Even though Jahshii them a tease you and a trouble you and a taunt you, the amount of shot yourself in the foot where you have out there for the man them use against your sound bite or sound bites. Cause all your live them what you do, them the all over the internet. Kind of draw back for peace or embarrassing part. Everybody laugh off of you right now because your girl looks so war too much, but I look bad. Yeah, you and Bree, you see, Silk Boss. And I review your song still, but me have to just tell you, still, you make war look. You make war look bad. Because you see, you and Bree now are the younger version, a Queenie and Dewey, brother. I saw Funo, scandalous, love life, just scandalous and just red boy. You see, people where got war, lyrical war, them have to have a militant pass. No boy can't know nothing about you if you have to have nothing about you when you're going to war, else man go taunt you and you don't know how war go. If a man can war you and tell you about yourself and everything when him tell you about yourself either go so or go near to so, you are on the losing battle. If you have your make up story and I sing a hot song but make up story in the song and you not have nothing upon Jahshii, let's say you not have nothing upon Jahshii. All you say, Jahshii, I kiss the girl from up at Oakland where you get where give you a blow job. We don't know nothing about that, you know. You know, say we the audience out here, we don't know nothing about that if that are true or that is a make up story. But them sitting here where you use a rickety car, your old car, when your car engine sound like it a drop out of the fucking car, you know, but I go up on Instagram, brother. Cause Instagram pick up your voice, it can pick up your rickety car sound. Instagram as well pick up when you cuss your girl tell a girl say most stink like anus. Yeah, wicked youth. Anyway. So one girl on the stage here yell, breathe like you out on the corridor for stay. St. James badness here me mo be any. Yeah, if you don't have it, don't know say man them have you as a girl clone long time cause your company whole world I tell you people them say young la fuck one girl as a superstar in Ireland. Yeah, what me I do it now? Just the image, brother. Nobody come like a Mr. Lover man. Dancehall artist is not Mr. fucking lover romantic man, brother. You have to play the fucking role. Just go like a girl. It's just if you're not, don't come tell me. I wish artists here you do that yet. Just bust and waste him cocky on one girl. You think that boss will have all Lord's favor? So a man tell us him how done for your black and I tell you exactly where him live. While him tell us say him how done for your place. And him try tell you as well say him have ratings in a your place. Him make you know exactly for him location. Say my boy you right there so I make you know. So pussy you know where me live and you can't do nothing. Me I know me know where you live and me I come for you. And your people them not going to do nothing because them will want you to diminish cause you're really a nobody. Is Bree ex-boyfriend named Michael? Is it that Bree ex-man named Michael and Michael is still slapping Bree in her glue? Oh my God! Is that what is transpiring? Huh? Alright? Oh my God! Does Michael still make Bree?
Do I make you horny, baby?
This is fuckery. Silk boss, you know, for a long time you should invest in more girls than just this one girl. We are hope that you're. I don't continue. Sorry. This a blood clot touch never surgery. Oh my God! That's all I can say for you, brother. You're in for it. Sometimes you see when you get bully, don't bother fight the bully them. Leave fucking town. Move to a different city. It's not every time you're gonna beat the bully. You make it bad for yourself. Jahshii make it worth it. Little nerd, this one even worth it. Prime them nursery, your career thirsty before terror and you been a virgin. Kill him. Me not for bother going further with that song. You know that. Me not for bother going further. We don't care what on that song we never hear before or what. We not have to talk about it no further. Because you can't have a war song where one I sang them a war song and one I sang them a love song. That not gonna help. You come like a me not really find that fair to Silk Boss. So we're gonna leave it right there. As you see what I say on that something, yeah, stick up. Subscribe to the new channel, yeah. Shang.
Yo, to all possible subscribers, this is a stick up. So press the button now before tack your pick up. If any war kick off in a dancehall, your radar goes a kick up. Press the subscribe button now before your dopey bat flick up.